Welcome to Astro Rahu channel. Today we are going to discuss for the Cancer ascendant what happens when Moon is in the 6th house in Sagittarius. Here the ascendant lord Moon is in the 6th house and the ascendant lord is Moon. Moon represents the mother. This is a sensitive position, a very typical position. I have seen for this position many a times there are issues in upbringing of the subject. Many a times father has expired probably early in life when the subject was a child, or there must have been such a situation where the father doesn't have much of a say in the house. The mother takes on as the father and the mother is a bit dominating. Many a times mother is very competitive and I should say unnecessary competitive, and due to that probably there are disputes at home as well. So the subject might have gone through all these issues in early childhood. The subject, for some reason unknown, he feels that he always needs to compete. He needs to compete, he needs to win over others, and then he has peace of mind. So, suppose if you say to such a person that look at the sky, there are so many clouds and the stars are not visible, the person will immediately contradict and say, no, there are stars. See that star, I can see that star there, I can see that star there. Even if it's a very cloudy night, he will unnecessarily compete because this person, for some reason unknown, needs to compete. He feels that he needs to compete, he needs to win, and then he has peace of mind. So this is a bit of a difficult position for the Moon, and difficult position for people living with such a person, because this person has some karmic issues due to which he has such a nature to go into disputes, and due to that the people around him who are attached to him, who live with him, they also feel that dispute. There is also a duality in the nature of such a person, because the 6th house in the Kalpurush Kundli, originally it is the Kanya Rashi Virgo sign in the 6th house. So there is also an element of social work or an element of helping other people or providing hospitality to people in this house. So there is duality, and Moon as the ascendant lord is over here. So there is a very dual nature of the person. Sometimes he is so caring and he is so nice to people, and suddenly he becomes very competitive. So there is a duality as well. And here Moon is in the sign of Sagittarius, and whenever any energy, any planet is placed in the Sagittarius sign, he feels that he is very wise and he has all the knowledge. So here the ascendant lord being in Sagittarius in the 6th house, the person feels that he is very wise. He is more wise than other people. Here that again there is a problem, because here unnecessarily the person is competing, and now again there is one more reason for him to compete, because he feels that he is wiser than other people. So here many a times this also increases his competitiveness, and he feels that he is somehow more intelligent, more wise than other people. There is also a good part to this placement, because the ascendant lord here, moon being in the Sagittarius sign, such a person uses his wisdom to solve the disputes of others. So he is very naturally drawn to professions. He might do MSW, Master of Social Work, in academics, and such people might go into social work very naturally, and the person might go into social work. He will do very well in social work. He might go into medicine as well. So he might be a nurse, he might be a doctor, or he might be an environmental activist, or he might be a veterinarian doctor. He might he might have a career in which he helps animals or cares for the animals, or he might be in the legal field as well. He might be a lawyer, or he might go into taxation and these kind of careers as well, and he'll do very well in that, because he has this fighting nature, and by competing, by fighting, by facing such difficulties and such issues, he has peace of mind. This is the nature of the individual. Here the position of Jupiter is very important. If Jupiter is in the 6th house, then a bit the position gets better, because whenever the Lord, 6th Lord, any Lord of any house is in the house, then he doesn't let the negative things happen, and he makes sure that whatever outcome of the placement is, it becomes a more positive. And if Jupiter is in the 6th house here, the person has great stamina, because here the ascendant lord is in the 6th house, and moon is a very soft planet, and if he is in the 6th house, the ascendant lord is in the 6th house, then the health suffers. But if the 6th lord Jupiter is in the 6th house, then this person has great stamina. Even if he faces very difficult disputes, whatever happens in the 6th house, whatever dispute happens, he has the stamina to face it, and his body does not suffer that much. So this is also a very peculiar point. And if Jupiter is well placed, then the person is wise, and other people are benefited by his wisdom. And if Jupiter is not well placed, then the person is foolish, and he feels that he is wise, and he keeps on competing with others, and people are not benefited by his wisdom. And whenever I have seen the ascendant lord is in the 6th house, these people are prone to get into disputes. Many a times such events happen in which someone gets sick, and they have to go into the hospital, spend a time 15-20 days, a month in hospital, and they have to serve other people in hospital, or they might, legal issues are attracted towards them, they naturally gravitate towards legal issues, and they are very comfortable with such scenarios, such situations, because the placement is such. But the person has to be very careful about his own health, because the ascendant lord is in the sixth house, and they themselves are also prone to such diseases in this position. Now here the nakshatra is also very important. If moon is placed in Mool nakshatra, then sometimes, depending on the mahadashas, if the mahadasha is wrong, life will at some stage make them go through a very difficult period in which they will have to dive into the depths of some dispute mentally, and life will make them learn some lesson. Would be some time, there would be a very difficult time in their life. If moon is in Mool nakshatra, then such a person might also be a detective. He might go into the depths of things and solve issues of their clients. But there is a problem in this placement, because he might become very suspicious. This is the negative placement here. If moon is in Purva Ashada, then many a times, definitely this might be a placement where a person is serving in a monastery. The person would like to be, because the religious nature of Purva Ashada will come over here, and he might be in a religious monastery helping people, because he is in the sixth house. So there would be a combination of religion and helping people. If moon is in Uttara Ashada, then the business part is more dominant, where he might be either a doctor or a successful lawyer or a detective. And I might be sounding a bit negative about this placement. Yes, because what happens is, when the ascendant lord of some person is in the sixth house, he always is in dispute, and people attached with him feel that dispute. So such people need to be positive, and they should make sure that they don't unnecessarily compete with people who are very close to them. Otherwise, the life of their own people, their people of their family, gets disturbed. And there is one more thing. For the Cancer ascendant people, marriage in general poses a challenge. And for this placement, if the person is very competitive with the partner, keeps on fighting with his spouse and his loved ones, then marriage will suffer even more. But there is a very thin silver lining to this dense cloud, this placement, that the one who has this placement, he is very competitive with everyone. He is also competitive with his spouse. Many a times he will keep on fighting when there are good times. He will keep on fighting with his spouse. But when time is bad in marriage, if there is any financial difficulty in marriage, or if there is any health related problem with the spouse, this person will not escape. This person will not file for divorce. In that case, this person will stand by his spouse, and he will live the hard time. This is a very good thing for this placement. And there is finally one thing I would like to state about this position, is that ascendant lord being in the sixth house, always life wants to teach you a lesson which you got to learn, especially if moon is situated in Mool nakshatra over here. Life wants you to learn a lesson, and many a times they don't learn that lesson. So the subject has to take care about that. Life wants to teach you something, you got to learn that lesson. So if you liked this video, don't forget to press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to Astro Rahu channel as yet, go and subscribe to it. This is Vishal Sathe signing off for now. Bye.